Saturday, 25th of January 25, and I'm out on the bike for the first time this year. It's freezing, well, 2 degrees. Can't really feel my fingers. Meeting the guys over in Wargrave, and we're going for about 18 miles today, but some of it involving bridleways, so we'll see what happens.
Begins with a couple of climbs up from the river and into the Chilterns.
See you at the top. Set off. That's the first hill done. And the good news is the sun has come out. It wasn't too bad fully laden going up the big hill. The sunshine makes all the difference in the world. It's a beautiful morning.
Now the first bridleway section. Muddy, but not too challenging.
Oh no, you must watch it. Nobody's interested. We'll learn about your health.
Things got interesting in the track that runs alongside the golf course. There's no footage of the muddiest sections, but we were tempted to try our luck on the fairways.
Some road cyclists going past. You say hello, but they won't say hello to you if you're riding a mountain bike or something with panniers. It's so cliquey. I hate that about cycling.
Shottesbrooke was very boggy, would make an excellent picnic spot in the summer. At the Cricketers. Then a tiny detour to St John's to try and find Peter's grandparents' grave. At first it looked unlikely. Then success. Up through the wood at Berkshire's Green, then coffee and cake in Warren Row. With so few hours of sunlight, we switched on our lights and headed back to Wargrave to complete the loop. It was a perfect day out. And if the trail was that good in the winter, this would be a fast, flowing winner in the summer. Four old friends, 4 bikes now caked in mud, and one more unforgettable adventure completed. Would we do it again? Absolutely.